Imagine returning home to find your city burned and your loved ones taken. Despair turns to desperation. David once again seeks divine guidance, this time for rescue. Shall I pursue after this troop? Shall I overtake them? And he answered, Pursue, for thou surely overtake them and recover all. All who trust in the God of Abraham recognize moments where human wisdom fails. And only divine direction can lead to true restoration. David's inquiry reminds us there's hope, even in our darkest devastation. When life's losses overwhelm us, turning to God can redirect our grief into action. David shows that inquiring of the Almighty can yield not just an answer, but a promise of recovery. A single plea for direction can transform tragedy into triumph. If David's prayer for guidance speaks to your heart, please like, share, and subscribe. Join us as we journey through every prayer in Scripture, unifying Christians, Muslims, and Jews around the God who restores.